Hi, welcome to TechSparks Technology Training School. My name is Saravanan Ganesh. And in this particular video, I will teach you how to write the first program if you are in 10th ICSE Java, first program. So let me get started off. You would have learned a little bit in 9th. I'm going to consider that you know a little bit in 9th Java. So I don't have BlueJ. So I'll show you how to actually download BlueJ. Very simple. Just go to bluej.org. And then since I have Mac, I'm going to click on Mac. If you have Windows, just click on Windows. The process is the same. You just click and it downloads the installable. So let it download. So it is unzipping. You can just go to your downloads folder. So in Windows, you will have to open the File Explorer. In Mac, it will be Finder. So there is BlueJ over here. All that I have to do is just double click this BlueJ and open. And you don't need this Chrome anymore. So you don't need any other softwares, JDK, JVM, everything is included in this. That's it, done. Just two-step process. So I just have to click on new project. So just observe this project, new project. So I have a lot of things. So what you guys can do is just go to documents. I would recommend you to keep your files only in documents and then create a folder called as coding world, or you can create a new folder called as my coding world. I would recommend you guys to keep it as my coding world 2023. So, and then it's there in documents, my coding world 2023. I'm just going to give the name of this particular project. Let me just call it as 10th Java programs, right? Is this okay? And the path is this. So now the moment you click create that project, 10th Java programs will be there. If you want, you can open your file explorer. Just click on documents. You will be able to see my coding world. My coding world. Inside my coding world 2023, every year I have that one. So my coding world, inside which I have a project called as 10th Java program. Same thing will be in your Windows as well. It's very simple. It's almost the same. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to teach you one. Okay, so now in the next video, I'll teach you how to write your first program.